Hi there, Amy Starr Allen here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual event platform. So if you are wanting to run any type of virtual event, a webinar, some type of a training or a talk for your audience, I'm going to show you how to do that. The statistics show that 70% of events that used to be offline were brought online in the year 2020 because of everything that's been going on with the pandemic. And so more and more people are doing online events, and more consumers are attending, are learning online and attending events online as opposed to in person. So it's a really good opportunity for you to do some live events if you're not already doing them, and get in front of your audience and teach them something. And you can build your email list doing this as well, which I talked about in another training that I will link to below this video. For the sake of this video, I just want to show you how to set up a page where you can stream your online events. And there's a lot of software out there that's being created just for this specific purpose, but I want to show you how you can do it inside of the HBA Funnel Builder in a way that's going to give you a beautiful page that's going to serve the same purpose as these much more expensive platforms will do. Not to mention, it's in the same platform, the HBA Funnel Builder, that I talk about all the time, the platform that I've showed you, where you can build your membership sites and your capture pages, and you can generate leads. You can create your free offers to generate leads. And when you're doing events like the one I'm going to show you how to set up today, you can create your registration page inside of the HBA Funnel Builder. You can do so many things inside of this builder. So why not use it to create your pages for your virtual events as well, because it's very easy to do that. And this builder is only $25 a month. It's a lot more cost effective than a lot of the other membership site builders and page builders out there. So just want to put that out there right off the bat, and I'll leave a link to that below this video too if you want to learn more about it. So let me show you how simple it is to set up a page for your virtual event in just a few steps. So when you're doing a live event, the first thing you're going to do is invite people to the event, right? And they're going to register to attend the event, more than likely. I mean, you could send people directly to an event page, but I always like to have a registration page. So you might have a registration page like this one, or this one, or this one. These are all just pages that I created for people to be able to register for different types of live events that I've done. And again, I have a full training on this part of the process and how to promote these pages to get people to register. But for today's training, I want to talk about the actual page where the event is going to take place, right? So once people register to the event and the time of the event comes, it's the day of the event and it's time for the training, the place where people are going to be sent to watch the live stream, right? So it's going to be a page something like this. And I'm going to show you inside of the HBA Funnel Builder all the different templates that you can choose from to create your event page, and then how to live stream to this event, and how to add a comment box below so that people can ask questions while you're streaming your event. It's super, super simple. Okay. So this is what we're going to focus on today, is the actual event page. So let me take you through a few steps to show you how to set this up. When you log into your HBA Funnel Builder, you're just going to come to the button at the bottom that says Add New Step and Page. And then if you come under Webinars, you're going to see all of these templates for all of these different webinar pages, and you can preview them to find the one that you want. Like this one says Webinar Replay. All of this is customizable, so you can change any of the text if you don't like it the way it is. This is the one that I was showing you before. And here's another one. It's a little bit different. And it just makes it really easy. These templates just make it easy to just come in and change out the text and change out the link that the button goes to and stuff in just a couple of clicks. So you would just come in and find a template that you like for your webinar page, your live stream page. So there's all these different templates. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm just going to click select. And I'm going to say live event. You would name your page whatever you want it to be named. And then this link right here is going to be, inside of the funnel builder, you have your whatever domain name you have mapped to the funnel builder, would be your domain name / whatever the name of your event page is going to be. So this just says live event demo because that's what I named my page. But, you know, if you had, for example, I did a webcast on New Year's and it was called New Year's Webcast or something like that. So this can say whatever you want. This is going to be at the end of your link when you create the page. And then just click add. And then it's just going to load the template in for you. Now, all you have to do is change out the headline. You can leave it like this if you just wanted to say, welcome to the webinar, we are live, or you can put the title of the webinar in here. So let's say you wanted to have, you know, your own title, and maybe you want this to be bigger. You can change the font size, you can change the color, you know, you can make it however you want. Maybe you don't want this, we are live here. You can take that off and, you know, whatever you want to do. It's really easy to edit here. You can put a space, you can, you know, you can put, what I like to do sometimes is before my event, like let's say my event is starting in a couple of hours, but people might be coming to the page before then, you can add a little countdown timer here. So you can just come into widgets to the countdown timer and just slide it in. And then it's going to put a countdown timer in here. And then you would just like select the date and the time. So let's say I have my webinars tomorrow, and you know, I would just put in whatever time it's at, and then it'll have a countdown timer counting down to that date. And you can customize this too. Like you can change the color of your countdown timer. Like here, you know, you can see I have a black background, but let's say I want a blue background. You can change all of this stuff. Like everything is customizable in this builder. So it just makes it really easy to move stuff around and make it look exactly the way that you want it to look, right? So you get your page set up, you know, so you add your headline. We're going to come back to this video because I'm going to show you how to embed your live video right here. But then underneath here, you want to have whatever you're going to have on the page underneath your video. So if you're doing some type of a training and you want to give people the opportunity to purchase something from your training, you can have a button here. This says, yes, I want the deal, but you can change this button to say, you know, learn more or whatever you want it to say. You can change the color of it really easily. So here's the button color. If I want to make it, you know, my brand color, I can do that. You know, whatever you want to do, you can change this. And then you can, here where it says link, you're going to put a link to whatever you want to send people to. So let's say I'm doing a training about the funnel builder and I want to send people to the page where they can purchase the funnel builder. I can select that as my link. And now when someone clicks on this, they can purchase the funnel builder. If you don't want these, I don't usually like having these on here. If you like these, you can leave them there. But if you don't, you would just delete them. And then, you know, so you can have this say whatever you want or nothing. You know, if I don't want this countdown timer because I have, you know, I have a countdown timer up here. This countdown timer would be for the actual offer. So if you want a countdown timer, like let's say I'm saying, you know, you can get a discount on the funnel builder for the next 24 hours, and I could have this counting down so that if people are coming here to this page to watch the replay, the countdown timer is still counting down to when my offer is going to expire or whatever. So it's up to you. And you know, you can change any of this text to say whatever you want. You know, this is all just stuff that you can edit, right? And now let's say you want to have a comment box, a place where people can comment below so that when you're doing your live event, people can chime in. For example, here's a live event that I did and you can see like all these comments below. I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a thing called comments plugin from Facebook, and this is what I use. And the link is developers.facebook.com/docs/plugins/comments. And I will put this all below this video to make it easy for you to find this page. But anyway, it's very simple. You would just come, you would put your URL in right here. So whatever the page is that your event is going to be taking place on. So for the page that we're talking about here, you can see it's just like I said, it's mywebsite.com/live event demo because that's what I called it, but it would be what, you know, whatever you're calling it. So you would take that link and you would put it in, you would paste it in right here. And then you get to say how many pixels wide you want your comment box to be. I usually do 800. And then what's the maximum number of posts that you want to be able to see at a time? So I'll do 20. And that's it. And then you just click on Get Code. Now I'm going to take this code right here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over here to my widgets. I'm going to grab a code widget and I'm going to just put it below my button and paste it in. Click Save Changes. And now when I refresh my page, you'll see I have a comment box below. So there's no comments here yet, but I can write a comment and you can see it shows up right here. So this is really cool because while I'm doing my training, people can be commenting here and I can interact with them. And you can show your comments. I mean, there's only one comment here, but you can show the, sorted by the oldest first or the newest first. So if you have a bunch of comments and you want the newest ones at the top, you would sort it by the newest and the newest ones would show at the top. So that's how simple it is to add a comments box to your live stream. And now you're ready for your event. A couple other things I want to show you that you can do with this page, which is really, really cool before I show you how to live stream the event from here. Well, first of all, you can add your logo down here or the name, your name, whatever you want to add. This page is totally customizable in every way, shape, and form. So like if you wanted this background to be something other, you can see there's like an image behind it and it has an overlay over it. So if I go here, you can see this is the image that's here and then it has this overlay. And if I click on the overlay, you can see the opacity. So I can change the opacity to make it lighter and darker, as you can see. But let's say you want to change this image out to a picture of you or a picture of something else. All you would do is change it out right here. And you can upload an image in, or I can, select an image that I already have and put it in. So I'm just going to select one for the sake of this, there you go. Select an image and it puts it in the background. And then if I want my overlay to be like darker or whatever, I can make it darker, I can make it lighter, whatever you want to do. So this page is totally customizable. You can make it look however you like. Whatever colors, whatever images, whatever text, every part of it is customizable. All right, so I have a lot of other videos that show you all the different ways that you can customize your pages. So I will link to some of those with this video as well. But again, for the sake of this training, I just want to focus on the functionality of this page and how cool this is. So one other thing that you can do with this page that is just, it's a very unique feature of the HBA Funnel Builder that I have never seen on another platform of its kind, is that you can make this page a replicating page, meaning that let's say you're doing an event where you're going to be, I'm going to use this as, the same example that I was just using. Let's say I'm doing an event where I'm going to be training about the HBA Funnel Builder and I'm going to be offering people the opportunity to purchase the HBA Funnel Builder from my page. What I can do is if I want the other people in the Home Business Academy to be able to invite people to this training, and if they're affiliates of the Home Business Academy and I want them to be able to get credit for any purchases that happen, anybody that purchases the Funnel Builder, what I can do is I can code this button in just a couple of clicks so that anybody that sends anybody here using their own affiliate ID at the end of my link, the person will be coded to them. So if you're in a network marketing company, this is awesome. Because let's say like you're a leader in a network marketing company and you're doing some type of a training or an overview of the products or whatever. You can have your whole team invite people to that event. And you can code this button so that if anybody purchases anything from the page, your team members will automatically get credit for the sale. And this is awesome because if you're building a team, especially in a network marketing company where, you want to help your people make sales because you are going to get paid. I mean, your income is going to depend on whether or not they make sales, right? So you want to get as many of your team members people to your event as possible because some of your team members might be new and they're not ready to do their own training. So you can do the training and you can support your team and your team can invite people to it. And then you can code this button so that when your team members invite people here, you do the selling and they get credit for the sale. Does that make sense? This is a really, really awesome feature. And you can do this in just a couple of clicks. Now, I'm going to show you really quickly, but I just want you to know that when you purchase the HBA Funnel Builder, you get access to this whole Funnel Builder Academy that has all of these training videos in it that go over all of the features of the Funnel Builder in so much detail. And right here, you can see there's a training called Replicating Pages for Your Team. And it goes into a lot of detail about exactly how to do this, right? So I'm not going to spend this whole video going into how to do that. I'm just going to show you that you can do this in a couple of clicks. Okay, so I'm inside the Funnel Builder on one of my pages where I've done some live streams where anybody in the Home Business Academy can invite people. So you'll see if I click on this button and I come to the link, you'll see I've got the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder link here that would normally have somebody's affiliate ID at the end. So what I did was I put the link in with this code here, param.id in brackets. And what that does is it tells the system that if somebody sends people to this page, it's going to take their affiliate ID out of their link that they send people to the page with and put it into the button. So let me show you this in action real quick. So here's the link. And the way that it would work is anybody that wants to promote my event would just put in the link to my page, which is starrislandstudios.com/livestream, ID equals, and then their affiliate ID. So this is my affiliate ID, but any affiliate in the Home Business Academy could send somebody to this training. And what will happen is when they put their affiliate ID in this link, when somebody visits this page, it's going to automatically insert this affiliate link into this button if anybody clicks on the button to purchase the Funnel Builder. So let me show you. If I hover over this button, you can see in the bottom left that the link that this is connected to shows my affiliate ID there, right? So all the person has to do is send people to this page with their affiliate link at the end, and automatically the button is connected to their affiliate link. So this is amazing. This makes it really easy for anybody that has a team of any kind, or that's an affiliate, or that's in a network marketing company, to be able to do live trainings that, other people in the company can invite people to, and those people can make sales from your training. So this is awesome. I love this feature of the Funnel Builder. And this works not just on your live events, but I'm going to show you, how to live stream your event in a second. But what happens is your replay is automatically going to stay up on the page. So people can continue to promote the replay, or you can just create a video page. I will link to another training that I did where I showed you how to promote, how to create a video page that other people can use to build their business. So, it can be any kind of a page where you have a button. You can use this code inside of the HBA Funnel Builder to make it so that anybody can share the page and get credit for the sales. So this is really, really, really powerful. So now I just want to show you how to actually live stream your event. So all you're going to do is you're going to start streaming a live event, or you can even schedule a live event and do the same thing. And then you're just going to put your event embed code where this video placeholder is right now. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can stream directly from YouTube, or you can do your live event from Zoom and connect Zoom to YouTube. Just have it be an unlisted YouTube video, so nobody's going to see it except for the people that are on your event page. So I'm going to show you how to do this from Zoom, but I just want to show you how easy it is to stream live from YouTube on its own. You would just click this plus button, the same place that you would go to upload a video, and you would just click go live. And you can go live on YouTube, and then the rest of the process is going to be the same as what I'm about to show you that you can do using Zoom. So if you're on Zoom, like I am right here, you would just click on these three dots and click on live on YouTube. Okay, and then once you go live on YouTube, it's going to look like this. So here I am live on YouTube, and then you would just come to where it says share, and you're just going to grab this embed code and copy it. Now you're going to come back over to your page, click on this video placeholder here, click edit video, and then you're just going to paste that code in right here where it says video source and remove this custom thumbnail. And now you can see that I'm streaming live on the page. When you set up your live stream, it'll also give you the opportunity to name your event. So obviously you wouldn't want it to say this. This is just the name of my Zoom meeting room, but you can change it to be whatever the name of your event is and have it be on here. You also want to select it to be unlisted. Before you click go live, make sure that your video is unlisted unless you want it to stream live on YouTube as well publicly. Whenever I do these events, if it's streaming live on a page like this, then I want everybody to watch it from this page. I don't want people to watch it on YouTube, so I just leave it unlisted on YouTube. Don't make it private or it won't show up on this page. Anyway, so you have it unlisted, and then that's it. You're live. So now if I preview this, you can see there I am live on the page. And then what's cool is at the end of, when you're done streaming live, you just stop your live stream and the replay will automatically just stay up on the page. So if you want to continue, like if people show up later, or you want to continue promoting the page to the people, the people that put in their name and email on this page to register for the event, you can send them a few emails to remind them that the replay is available. And then they can come back and watch this replay for as long as you say. And again, you can have this countdown timer counting down, like maybe you want the countdown timer to just go, the replay is available for 24 hours and the deal that you're offering right here is only available for 24 hours or whatever. So you could have a 24-hour countdown timer and you could let people know with this text that this goes away on this date at this time, and the countdown timer can be counting down so that they realize they need to take advantage of this offer while it's available. So that is how you stream live and create a virtual event platform for yourself using the HBA Funnel Builder. It's very simple. And again, it's awesome to have one platform where you can do all of these different things, opt-in pages, membership sites. It has a scheduler if you want to let people book appointments with you. You can do live event pages. You can create regular video pages with a button below. So I'm going to link to some of the trainings that I mentioned in this video. And then I'm also going to leave a link below where you can learn more about the HBA Funnel Builder. It's a very powerful tool. I use it every single day in my business. It has changed the game in my business, actually. And so I'm going to give you a link where you can learn more about that. It's only $25 a month. And when you purchase it, you're going to get an email from me that's going to give you access to my welcome video. And I'm going to give you a bunch of recommended resources, including access to my private Facebook group that's just for my HBA members, where I support people on a daily basis and help you with anything that has to do with the Home Business Academy. So I hope to see you inside and to help you take your business to the next level using this powerful tool and giving you access to this powerful community. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.